I was going through a separation before I started this course.
Before this training, I have the background of the cognitive understanding. I don't have a lot of application and practice.
Before this course, I was much more confused about relationships.
So my partner and I had been separated for 2 years. We could not resolve conflict.
The winter before, I was kind of at my low rock bottom in all areas of my life, but specifically in my high-stake relationship, my marriage.
I was having some struggles in my relationship with my husband.
During the course, I really went through a lot of big changes in my life, in my inside and on my outside.
So the value of being coached is phenomenal for supporting personal growth.
I'm often the type of person that will push through hard things. I'm often that person that will fight and make things work and try really hard. So I started this RCT course not even to become a coach. It was just to better myself because I wanted it that badly.
It was pretty profound when I started doing the work in class with the people in the group. It really stretched my edges. It kind of opened up my mind, wow.
And I really learned that loving myself as I am and accepting myself as I am is such a big key. I'm really truly grateful for everything I've learned in this course, in this community.
I really feel like I learned so much about myself in this class. All my shadows came up. It was very confronting.
In working with each other, we were able to build trust and go into what's called the relationship leadership position.
After the course, where I am now is having this very heightened awareness.
I just have this newfound confidence that I didn't have in myself before. I don't know, I'm just so grateful and overjoyed that I did this.
Now I really feel fearless almost to move forward in my life and deal with what comes up for me and for my kids.
I feel much more confident.
I can get through anything now. I feel super confident.
Learning how to name, sit with myself for a second and just be in that place and see what's going on in here, actually connecting with myself instead of focusing on externals. That's really been so beneficial for me. That's something that I learned here. I really value that.
I'm really grateful. I would recommend signing up any day. My only regret is I didn't sign up sooner.
If you're considering doing this training, I highly recommend it. Your life will be forever changed in a great way.